This is the practical approach towards how to arrange a portable CMM machine near part, job or workplace. So it is easy to measuring points, features and extract the actual values as per customer drawing. So today we are going to see how practical approach towards portable CMM setup. So first of all, this is the part which is actually mounted on the yes, and this is the V block that we are going to place near the part which is act as a stationary or stable. Now we are going to bring most important a chuck. Yes, yes, this is the chuck where we are going to actually mounting the part, mounting the Kreon arm or portable channel. Well, this is I'm going to magnetism on of a V block, so it will never disturb by any motions, right? This is the verifying, ensuring the stability. Well, I want to tell you that we have a Kreon arm portable CMM. People usually known as Faro because it's most popular brand among in India. So, well, first of all, we have a box in that this is the way where you can place portable CMM, right? And now we have to engage the threads so it will never shaking or it will never move, right? Or it should not be tilt in any direction. It should be stable in a straight perpendicular to the flat earth. So this is the spanner which is going to help me to tight the mechanism. Now this is the digital laptop's back where we can see we are going to connect our laptop, our software to this portable CMM machine. So we have a laptop, the brand name is a HP, it is a best, as well as we need license keys. Polyworks, we are going to use Polyworks software for this Kreon arm. This is the setup, this is the electricity switchboard, and it will going to connect a battery charger. In the simple name should be called as a battery charger. Now this is the most important thing. It is a battery charger of a Kreon arm or portable CMM machines. We have a already backup of 2 hours of a portable CMM, but we are always use for any avoid during inspection. So we have a Polyworks software. In that, the Polyworks software requires 2 license keys. So we are going to attach to our laptop. Well, Polyworks also give us a special mouse. Yes, the special mouse contains almost 6 buttons, left, right, middle one. It will be scroll up and down, as well as 2 extra buttons which is actually at the right hand finger's thumb. Well, it will help you to select or back or delete the existence point. Well, those are the license key implementing in the USB connector, and as well as there is a cord which is connect between portable CMM machine to the laptop. So it could be a engaging, or it could be a connecting between two things. Now you are see I'm going to plug the cord into the machine. So now, and this is the on, this is I'm making a on, machine will going to on, right? Okay, great. So let's start. Did it connected? The Kreon arm portable CMM machine is connected to the laptop. Yes, done. So now we are going to see, is it rotating? Yes, correct. Now I'm going to rotate into 6 direction. Every arm is working. Yes, nice. Now I'm going to select the probe. We have a 3 mm probe. Yeah, this is the Kreon arm software where we can actually see the working status of the machine. Now we are going to calibrate or mastering the 3 mm probe. This is how we are going to verify. First of all, we have to a master sphere of a 20 mm dia stainless steel, and I'm going to verify it. I'm going to mastering it. This is the issue. The length is not visible, so that's why I'm going to change the location of a machine. So it. Thank you for watching. If you are interested,